Imagine walking into a home so massive, so luxurious, and so over the top that it doesn't even feel real. We're not talking about a mansion, not even a palace. We're talking about a $500 million mega mansion in Los Angeles, a property that redefines the very meaning of luxury living. With over-the-top architecture, multiple swimming pools, a private nightclub, its own bowling alley, and even a 50-car garage, this is not just a house. It's a city within a home. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour inside one of the most expensive residential properties ever built. So, get ready, because this is not your average dream home. This is ultra-luxury in its purest form. Our journey begins in the heart of Bel Air, Los Angeles, one of the most exclusive neighborhoods in the world. Bel Air is home to celebrities, billionaires, and royalty. The homes here aren't just expensive, they're architectural icons. Perched high above the city, this mega mansion has panoramic views of Los Angeles, stretching from downtown to Beverly Hills, and even the Pacific Ocean. The location alone is worth hundreds of millions of dollars. But the house? That's where things get truly unbelievable. As you step inside, you're greeted by a grand entrance hall with 20-foot ceilings, a wall of glass, and a panoramic view of the city below. The foyer alone feels like it belongs to a luxury hotel, complete with marble floors, custom chandeliers, and a floating staircase. Every inch of the house is designed to impress. It's not just about living here, it's about making a statement. The living areas are massive and open concept. Floor-to-ceiling windows flood the space with natural light, while sliding glass doors open to infinity pools that blend seamlessly with the horizon. There are multiple living rooms, each decorated with designer furniture, rare artwork, and custom-made pieces worth millions. In most homes, you'd expect one dining room. Here, there are several, including one with a custom 40-seat dining table, perfect for hosting Hollywood royalty. The mansion features dozens of bedrooms, but the primary suite is unlike anything you've ever seen. Spanning thousands of square feet, the master bedroom has its own living room, 2 walk-in closets larger than most apartments, and a spa-like bathroom with marble everything. But that's not all. The suite opens up to a private terrace with its own infinity pool, offering uninterrupted views of Los Angeles. Imagine waking up here every morning. This is not just a bedroom. It's a personal luxury retreat. In this home, one kitchen simply isn't enough. There are multiple kitchens, a show kitchen for entertaining, a chef's kitchen for actual cooking, and even prep kitchens hidden away for staff. Each one is equipped with the latest in high-end appliances, custom cabinetry, and marble countertops. Hosting a dinner party for 100 guests? No problem, this mansion was designed for it. Now, here's where things get outrageous. This mega mansion comes with its own nightclub, complete with a state-of-the-art sound system, lighting, and VIP seating. There's a 4-lane bowling alley, a full-size movie theater with plush recliners, and a private casino room. And then there's the game room, with custom pool tables, arcades, and even a glass-walled candy room. Oh, and let's not forget, the property includes multiple swimming pools, one of which has a swim-up bar, while another sits on the rooftop overlooking the city. This isn't just a home, it's a private resort. For health and wellness, the mansion has a fully equipped gym, a spa with massage rooms, a hair and beauty salon, and even a meditation area. It's like having your own private wellness retreat without ever leaving your home. Of course, a mega mansion wouldn't be complete without an epic garage. This one holds up to 50 luxury cars, displayed like artwork in a showroom. Think Bugattis, Ferraris, Lamborghinis, all lined up under custom lighting. For car collectors, this is the ultimate dream. For billionaires, it's just another accessory to the lifestyle. Every detail of the home is run by smart technology, from lighting to climate control to security. Speaking of security, this mansion is equipped with biometric access, private gates, and even a panic room. Privacy is everything in Bel Air, and this home guarantees it. Now, let's talk about the price. This property was initially listed for around $500 million, making it one of the most expensive homes ever built. Why so high? Well, it's not just the sheer size or the luxury finishes, it's the location, exclusivity, and one-of-a-kind features. Owning a home like this isn't just about living in it, it's about status. It's about owning a piece of real estate history. So who actually buys a $500 million mega mansion? Typically, these homes are targeted toward billionaires, royalty, tech moguls, and international investors. For them, it's not just a home. It's an asset, a symbol, and sometimes even a tax strategy. To the ultra-rich, luxury like this is simply normal. And there you have it, a full tour of one of the most expensive mega mansions in the world. From its panoramic views to its private nightclub, from the 50-car garage to the infinity pools, this Bel Air estate isn't just a home. It's a lifestyle, a statement, and a piece of art, all wrapped into one. So, what do you think? If you had $500 million, would you buy this mega mansion? Or would you build your own dream home somewhere else? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more journeys into the world of ultimate luxury.